Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Altima thermostat. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns. Gather essential tools like a socket wrench set, pliers, and a drain pan. Locating the thermostat housing is your next step, usually near the upper radiator hose connection. Safety is key, so take your time and prepare properly before starting the repair. Now that you're prepared, it's time to drain the coolant. Position a suitable drain pan beneath your radiator's drain plug. Carefully open the plug to allow the old coolant to flow out completely. Once drained, you might need to remove a few components, such as air intake ducts or hoses, to gain clear access to the thermostat housing. Take photos as you go to help with reassembly. With the coolant drained and access clear, you can now unbolt the thermostat housing. Be gentle, as older components can be brittle. Carefully remove the housing and then extract the old thermostat and its gasket. It's crucial to clean the mating surfaces thoroughly. Install your new thermostat, ensuring the spring faces the engine, and use a brand new gasket for a proper seal. After installing the new thermostat, securely close the radiator drain plug. Now, slowly refill your cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant mixture. Start the engine with the heater on high and allow it to reach operating temperature, watching for air bubbles to escape. Top off the coolant as needed to bleed any trapped air. Remember to check the description for a link to smart speaker deals and other helpful products.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.